Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful range break trading strategy. Guys, this strategy is one of the best strategy I've seen so far, and I've been using this strategy for years. I have been using this particular trading strategy for years, guys, for years, and with this particular strategy, I can consistently make profit from the market, consistently make profit on a daily basis from the market using this particular strategy. Now, today's date is 10th. Today's date is 10th. It's Tuesday, 10th October 2023. Okay, and as you can see from this particular trade, here is 2023 10th October. Okay, so now into this trade, I've already made $21. Okay, this is how I trade this strategy every single day using very small lot size. Now with this particular strategy, you can consistently make profits every single day. Every single day you can consistently make profit every single day. Now from the 1st of this month, I started taking trades, so I've customized the date to 1st October 2023. So from the 1st of this month, I have started taking trades. Started taking trades from on the 1st of this month. Okay, now can you see here is the 1st of this month. Here is the 1st of this month. This is 10/01/2023. I made $119. Okay, then the next day I also traded the next day, which is 2nd. Okay, I also traded on the 2nd. All right, and I also made $167. Okay, I made $167. Now the reason why you are seeing all this selling and sell out is because I changed this into deal. There's deal, there's order. I'm talking about here, and there's position. Okay, from this, if I put it on position, I'm still having on the 7th, on the 6th, on the 3rd, on the 2nd. So if I put it on deal, I'll be having the accurate date, which is 10/02. So I made $167 here. Then the next day, which is on the 3rd, I also traded range break. All right, and I made $131. Okay, can you see the date? 03. So the next day I also traded range break. I was trading only range break. This strategy is a very consistent strategy. I've been using this strategy for a very long time, for years now, but I decided not to share because I don't want it to become saturated. Okay, but now a lot of persons do not trade range break. Now on the 4th of this month, I made $95. Okay, I made $95. Then on the 5th, I did not take any trade on the 5th because there was no good trading opportunity. So there was no trading opportunity. I did not take any particular trade. But on the 6th, I saw some trading opportunities, and I also traded on the 6th. And on the 6th, I made $155. So your $100 profit every single day is sure. Your $100 profit every single day is sure. On the 7th, also, I took some trades. On the 7th, I took some trades, and I made 162. Can you see 162? Can you see? So okay, can you see I'm using 0.01 lot size. It's not like I'm using big lot sizes. I'm using very good risk management to make $100 every single day. On the 8th also, I traded. On the 8th also, I took some trades, and I made $157. Can you see? Sorry, I made $126. This is 2023 10/08, 2023 10/08, 2023 10/08. Okay, and all of them here. So I made 126 on the 8th of this month. Then on the 9th, which is yesterday, I also traded range break, and I made some profit also. Every single day with this particular strategy, you can make $100. Can you see? I was just $2 away from $100, and I was just out of the market. There was no point waiting. There was no point trying to risk more. Okay, now if I shift this into position, it will be giving me, it will be including other days trading activities. That's why I did not include it. So but now if I shift it to deal, it will now show me accurately for only on the 10th or 9th of that month. So now today I've already made, which is 10 of 10, I already made $21 now. So guys, if you want this particular strategy, I'll be attaching a link of this particular strategy to this video, so make sure you get this strategy, and please do not give this strategy out to random people. Okay, because we don't want everybody to trade range break. Because the good thing about range break is that a lot of traders do not trade range break. A lot of traders don't trade range break because, I don't know, they are somehow scared of the market, or they don't understand the market. they prefer to trade only crash and boom. And the broker already knows that people don't trade range break, so the manipulation in range break is very low. It's very low. But with my complete guide, I'm going to show you how you can consistently make profit every single day. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. God bless you.